Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in electric vehicles. Today, we're talking about what our viewers' ideal electric cars might look like, and boy, do they have some wild and wonderful ideas. From the futuristic Aptera teardrop-shaped car to a nuclear-electric Lamborghini Countach, it's clear that people are dreaming big when it comes to their perfect EV. So, let's dive in and see what makes their ideal cars tick. For some of us, like our friend here, an electric car is all about efficiency, fun, and functionality. They're looking for a daily driver that can handle everything from commuting to weekend getaways, with a dash of style and performance thrown in for good measure. And they're not afraid to think outside the box. Who wouldn't want an 80s Toyota pickup truck converted into an EV? Electro Drive News takes a closer look at what makes these unique vehicles tick. From the Chevy Trax's electric motor to the Microlino car, which promises to be small, light, and friendly, it's clear that there's something for everyone in the world of electric vehicles. But what really catches our eye is the Slate Trucklet, a modular DIY approach to EV ownership that's got us all buzzing. With its promise of affordable, accessible electric cars that can be built right at home, it's like the future of transportation has finally arrived. And speaking of the future, we have to give a shout-out to Rivian and Lucid Air, two companies that are already pushing the boundaries of what an EV can do. From nuclear-electric power cells to AWD capabilities, these cars are truly in a league of their own. So, there you have it, a look at what our viewers' ideal electric cars might look like, and some of the innovative solutions they're dreaming up along the way. At Electro Drive News, we can't wait to see what the future holds for this rapidly evolving industry.